Did you know you can make your Nokia run faster with one simple settings change? Now this is the C210, Nokia C210, but this should work with almost every modern Nokia. Let me show you. Okay, what's cool about this is that I've got another Nokia, and I'll make the changes here, and then I'll show you compared to this one how much snappier this one's going to run. So we're going to jump into settings, touch settings. We're going to scroll way down to accessibility, touch accessibility, touch color and motion, and it's this one, remove animations. Now remember that if you don't like these changes, just jump back into here and toggle it the other way. But for this example, let's remove the animations. Now watch how much quicker the phone runs. So if you're someone that's switching back and forth between apps, you take a phone call, you create a video, you play a game, you watch a video, you're switching back and forth, your Nokia is going to feel faster than brand new. Here's the proof. I'll just open an app like the dialer, open the dialer, close the dialer. Do you see that? Open the dialer, close the dialer. This one blinks on, blinks off. This one takes its time to animate, open, and then animate, close. Let's do another one. Bring up the camera, close the camera. Oh, that's super slow. Bring up the camera, close the camera. And it's something simple like set. Let's go to settings, close settings. One more time. Settings, settings. It's that simple. Your Nokia is going to feel way faster. I've made other videos for different phones, just changing this animations to turning it off, and people are like, it really works. My phone feels better than brand new. Hey, if this has helped you, please like, please subscribe, and watch this video next.